If you're in the 7th to 12th grade and think you might like to be a Math Olympiad Zoom facilitator, then this video is going to explain the roles and the responsibilities and our expectations for a facilitator. Facilitator means helper, somebody who likes to enable others to be able to do things, to facilitate and assist others achieve their goals. We found there were 3 very different behaviors in order to make the Math Olympiad successful on Zoom, different from the classroom. The first foremost was that the Zoom sessions have to be fun and engaging. Mathletes need to want to come to math. They have to look forward. Oh, I can't wait to get there. I'm sorry it ends, rather than feeling like they have to come. And creating an environment that's fun and safe for them is important. It's the interaction, it's how the mathletes interact with each other and with the facilitators and the discussions they have that'll make it fun and engaging. So we're going to make breakout groups with just 3 and 4 mathletes so people can have the opportunity to get to know each other, to interact with each other and feel comfortable and safe talking about problems with each other. And the breakout groups are going to be led by a facilitator, someone who wants to make sure everybody participates, who can share their knowledge and joy of mathematics with them, that can be as positive and upbeat about learning as possible. Learning mathematics is a challenge for all of us, and the facilitators are going to play a critical role in helping our mathletes feel engaged, have fun, interact, and talk about math. So our typical Math Olympiad session is going to be about 45 minutes. We'll start with a coach-led group session for everybody for about 10 minutes. We'll then go into the breakout groups with the facilitator for about 25 minutes. And then we'll come back into the whole group for about 10 more minutes. But what is the facilitator going to do in those breakout groups? So first and foremost, engage mathletes in discussions. You're going to have only at most 4 at a time, so you should be able to call on everybody many times, giving them opportunities to talk about what they're doing and to talk about the problems they're having and how they're learning and where the difficulties are. Mathletes, the facilitators will take the mathletes through an unpacking process, and we have a video to talk about unpacking and the steps you can take to make that happen. So you're going to work with the students, and then you're going to give them time to work on the problems. It's through the process of problem solving and working on problems that you get better at it and learn mathematics. So the facilitator's job is going to help the students explore the different solutions, to take them over and ask, how did you do it? How else did you do it? Did somebody do it differently? And ask each person to talk about how they went about the learning process. You're going to have time to play some math games, and we'll go over some different ideas, and you may know some that you want to bring in to help the kids have a good time with. But most important, everybody needs to be having fun. You need to enjoy teaching and facilitating, and the kids need to be enjoying doing the problems and interacting. You need to plan about 1 hour a week to be a facilitator. We'll join all the facilitators. We'll get together with a coach about 10 minutes before we have our session with the mathletes. We'll go over some ideas together. Then there'll be about 45 minutes with the mathletes, and then we have a 5-minute feedback form. We want all of the facilitators to complete each session. It'll help you improve and become more and more comfortable and better at being an enabler of success for your mathletes. Facilitators enjoying math with mathletes, having fun together, is going to be an important key to the success of our doing Math Olympiads on Zoom. I hope to see you in many Math Olympiad Zoom sessions over the coming weeks.